How's it going, everyone? Nick at MarineMax Crosslake here. I'm standing in a 2025 Centennial Edition Nautique G23. This boat features the PCM ZZ6 engine that's 450 horsepower, lots of get up and go, plenty of juice for all the water sports that you could possibly want to do in this boat. You got the nice rear-facing seat here as well. So as we're surfing, wakeboarding, or skiing, you've got a good spot for coaching or taking videos, making memories on the water. At the midship as well too, we've got our Link Pan-Array touchscreen. From here we can control our wake. So I can go into here, control our wake shape, can control lights, other key functions here in the boat. Very, very easy system to use. From here I can control the ballast, also my tunes. So very intuitive and easy to display. If you can use an iPhone, you can use that. We've also got lots of storage space here in the love seat, and there is your Centennial Edition box with lots of goodies just for those 100-year Centennial boats. So you can check out this boat on our website at marinemax.com. Stop at the Crosslake location. It's in our showroom, easy to view, ready for you today.